The big event is also going to get underway here in Bombay. I'm talking about the 6th edition of the Global Fintech Fest, which kicks off 3-day event. Prime Minister Modi is expected to attend the GFF day after, that is on the 9th. We'll have, of course, full reportage out of there. Our colleague Ritu is going to be conducting lots of interviews, and she's there to give us, a sense of what's happening. Ritu, morning.
Good morning, Prashant. The movers and shakers of the fintech ecosystem are converging right here under one roof for the next 3 action-packed days here at the Global Fintech Festival in the heart of Mumbai's financial capital at the Bandra Kurla complex. The event is, this is the 6th edition. It is being organized by the NPCI, the Payment Council of India, and the Fintech Convergence Council. The highlight this year, like you said, will be a key session by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who will be sharing the stage with UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer, and that's going to be huge, coming after the free trade agreement that has been signed between the two countries. And here at the GFF, the two leaders are expected to talk about the synergies between London's thriving global fintech ecosystem and India's very own digital public infrastructure. But that aside, it is going to be a star-studded event nonetheless. From Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, RBI Governor Sanjay Malhotra, SEBI Chairperson Tuhin Kanta Pandey, DFS Nagaraju, and a whole host of others will be taking the stage here over the course of the next 3 days. The theme very aptly captures it for this time around: embedded or empowering finance for a better world that will be powered by AI. And speaking of AI, there will be a whole host of showcases here at the festival. A highlight will be one of the showcases that is being set up by the NPCI and NVIDIA to talk about some of the cutting-edge technology that is transforming finance. So watch out for some of these sessions. We will be bringing to you live, from here at the Global Fintech Festival. As you can see, it is pretty power-packed. Just to give you some statistics, there's, the scale of the event itself is incredible. 7,500 companies participating, 800 speakers, 500 investors, 400 exhibitors, and 300 sessions. 17 central bank governors from across the world will also be here, Switzerland, Singapore, Germany, and others. So it is going to be a one-of-a-kind event, and the footfall, believe it or not, more than 100,000 people are expected here in the course of the next 3 days.
Absolutely, and this is the scale will put any one of these investor conferences to shame, right? We've had a bunch of them. Ritu, by the way, who are you most excited to speak to, or any particular session?
Well, I'm going to be hosting a fireside with the Bank of Baroda CEO, but, the PayPal Global CEO, Alex Chris, will be here in conversation with Shireen later. Many, many sessions to look forward to, but of course, Prime Minister Modi on the last day is something we all want to hear.
All right.
So I think the best way to do that is to just watch everything that Ritu puts out on the channel itself, because 100,000 people descending upon, BKC is going to be quite a traffic jam out there, a traffic situation. So we'll most definitely, keep coming to you, Ritu, via satellite.
The Mumbai police has issued directions, traffic, because it's going to be humongous, right?
Yeah, 100,000 people. The last time 100,000 people congregated for anything near BKC was Navratri, and that was over 9 days. I don't think it was...
No, if you remember the GFF last year,
yeah.
Traffic is a casualty. But anyway...
Yeah, I took that on board. I sent my son 10 minutes earlier to school today, just to make it on time. But Ritu, we're going to keep coming to you all through the day. Have a good one, and we'll catch up with you during the course of the day.
Thank you.